In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Time Doctor on Windows. Whether you're managing a large team or just need to track your own productivity, Time Doctor is a fantastic tool to keep you focused and efficient. Let's dive in and get it set up on your Windows machine. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It can be Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser you feel comfortable using. Once your browser is open and ready, navigate to the search bar and type in Time Doctor. This will help you find the official website where you can download the software directly. When you hit Enter, you should see a list of results. Look for the first link or any link that has the URL timedoctor.com, as this will take you to the official Time Doctor site. When you arrive at the Time Doctor homepage, the next thing you'll need to do is log in. If you've already set up an account, enter your credentials. If not, you might need to sign up. But for this tutorial, let's assume you've already created an account. Once you're logged in, you should navigate to the Downloads page. It's typically found on their website under a section labeled Downloads or something similar. If you've received an email invitation, there's usually a direct link to the download page that can be accessed from there. Now, on the Downloads page, you'll see different options for various operating systems. Make sure to select the Windows option. This step is crucial. Otherwise, you might end up downloading the incorrect version for another operating system, like Mac OS or Linux. Sometimes, Time Doctor will ask you to choose between different app versions. There's the interactive version, which requires manual start and stop, and the automatic version, which runs in the background. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Next, click the Download Time Doctor app for Windows button. This will start the download of the installer file. Once the file has finished downloading, you'll need to locate it. Typically, your downloaded files end up in your Downloads folder, but it might be somewhere else depending on your browser settings. Open the folder and find the installer file. Double-click it to start running the installer. At this point, you'll just need to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. The installer will guide you through each step, ensuring that Time Doctor is properly set up on your system. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the application. When the application is open, sign in with your Time Doctor credentials. You might be prompted to select your company or project, which helps organize your time tracking efficiently. Now you're all set and can start using the app's timer to track your work seamlessly. It's a powerful tool that, once set up, can significantly enhance your productivity tracking. Enjoy!